Okay, now as you can see, we've got the old screed on the floor here. The reason we have a screed is so that your floor wastes can have fall in the floor so that it runs to the old wastes. Now we've got to remove this screed, but we will be replacing it. Also, what we found in this place is that there was tiles and then a tile over an existing tile. So we're removing this and starting from scratch, starting fresh, and we'll just jackhammer this up. So I'll rip out a little bit now, and we can continue to get the place ready for our tilers from Burley Tiling. So of course ear protection and eye protection must be worn. And we'll get our bad boy happening again.